Alright, video blog check everybody. Azrael here. We are here live sa Honor Philippines event featuring the launch of the Honor Pad X8B, the toughest tablet of Honor Philippines. So nilaunch nila ito ngayon. It will be available in TikTok shop. I think it's available today, April 14 to 21, yung kanilang pre-order stage. At nilabas nila ito for a price of 10,999 regular price. But pag sa TikTok kayo bibili, TikTok shop, price na lang niya is 9,999. Ano ba pinakamaganda din sa tablet ni Honor Philippines for the Honor Pad X8B? It's durable, splash-proof, at may malaking battery spec up to 10,100 milliampere battery. So ayun, wala tayong review of this, but we're going to do a hands-on test featuring this awesome tablet from Honor Philippines. So ito siya. Ito siya, napakaganda. Kahit mga bata, ibalibag, matibay na matibay ito. No? So before we do the hands-on test, wala tayong unboxing. Discuss ko muna sa inyo yung tech specs ni Honor Pad X8B from Honor Philippines. Alright, let's do this.
Alright, ito na yung tech specs ni Honor Pad X8B from Honor Philippines. For the display ni Honor Pad X8B, meron siyang 11 inches TFT LCD display. Ito yung kanyang screen, na meron siyang screen resolution na 1920 by 1200 at meron siyang screen to body ratio na 84%. Meron siyang 500 nits peak brightness at 90 Hz refresh rate. For the features ng kanyang screen, meron siyang Honor Eye Comfort Display Technologies at meron siyang TUV Rainland Low Blue Light Certification at TUV Rainland Flicker Free Certification. So hindi siya masakit sa mata pag ginamit ninyo, especially very safe to sa mga bata. At meron siyang e-book mode at dynamic dimming. For the body specs naman, meron siyang 499 grams na weight at meron siyang 7.25 mm thickness, yung kanyang thickness ng kanyang body, no? And then meron siyang metallic body, talagang pinatibay nila yung tablet na ito, no? So all metal yung kanyang body kasi meron siyang SGS drop resistance certification at crash resistance certification. So kahit ibalibag mo to, so magsusurvive yung tablet sa mga falls, sa mga kumbaga accidental drop ninyo. So okay pa rin siya. At meron siya, water resistance siya. Pina-increase pa to 30%. So pinatibay pa yung water resistance feature ni Honor Pad X8B and also drop resistance na rin din niya. Pinatibay nila. For the CPU naman, ito yung specs niya, Snapdragon 680 4G mobile platform. It means that meron siyang 4G signal. So pwede mo siyang lagyan ng SIM card. So this is octa-core at ang kanyang GPU is Adreno 610. For the OS, gumagamit siya ng Magic OS 10 based on Android 16. For the memory, very interesting yung memory niya kasi meron siyang 4GB of RAM plus 4GB of Honor RAM Turbo. So total niya is 8GB of RAM na which is very useful sa mga pag-multitask and also browsing ng mga apps. At for the storage, meron siyang 128GB of storage. Medyo maliit, no? Pero pinakang good news dito is expandable siya via the micro SD card. At pwede mo siyang lagyan ng micro SD card up to 2 terabytes. Grabe, napakalaki ng storage ito pag nilagyan mo ng ng micro SD. So it's up to you kung paano mo ito gagamitin. Either kahit 32GB na additional, okay lang din yan. For the camera specs, si Honor Pad X8B, for the rear camera is 5 megapixel and the front camera is 5 megapixel. Both camera can shoot at 1080p 30 fps. For the battery specs, meron siyang malaking battery. Very big yung battery niya. 10,100 milliampere battery that can do a 97-day standby time, 22 hours online video playback at 123 hours na music playback. Ganun katindi yung battery nito, no? For the other specs na mention ko kanina, no, it's a 4G ready siya kasi meron siyang lagyan ng kumbaga SIM card ninyo, no? At meron siyang Wi-Fi feature na 2.4 and 5 GHz, Bluetooth 5.0 siya. USB Type-C port, meron siya. Ear jack niya is USB Type-C na rin din. 4 speakers, high-res audio, ang kanyang features sa speakers. Meron siyang Honor Kids and Parental Control feature, pero safe sa mga bata. Pwede mong gawan siya ng, kumbaga, locking control for the kids para doon lang sila sa, kumbaga, Honor Kids app. At meron siyang Google Assistant tsaka Gemini Live. Hindi ko na-check yung yung SIM tray kung dual SIM, no? So pasensya na kasi wala tayong review unit, unbox lang tayo, nakipag hands-on test lang tayo. At for the body color, available siya sa isang color lang, which is the space gray, the only color na available sa Honor Pad X8B. And for the SRP niya is exclusive price coming from TikTok Shop. So meron silang promo from April 14 to 21. The promo starting price at 9,999, and the first 1,000 buyers will get a free stylus pen on that period, April 14 to 21. So buy now na sa TikTok Shop but the regular price pag outside TikTok Shop, the regular price sa mga stores is 10,999. Alright, so that's it for our tech specs. Balik na tayo sa ating hands-on test. Alright, let's do this.
Alright, so ito na yung ating hands-on test with the Honor Pad X8B. Pasensya na, medyo maingay dito. May sounds kasi. So check natin yung body. Sa metallic body at talagang matibay. Kahit ibalibag ko yan dito, it's still okay. Pati yung screen niya, binabalibag natin. No? Kahit yung mga bata, okay na okay yan. So ito yung kanyang camera, rear camera. This is the metallic body. And this is the front camera. Ito yung front camera. Front camera nandito, ayan. This is the top of the tablet. So meron siyang meron siyang SIM tray dito kasi 4G tablet ito. Meron siya ditong marang mini microphone, power button, tsaka yung volume niya nandito sa taas. Sa left side, yung kadalawang speaker dito, sa kabilang side, may dalawang speaker tsaka isang USB Type-C port. Sa ilalim, wala. So, pwede rin niya itong gamitin, no, yung gumamit ka ng pen kasi pag nag-pre-order ka sa TikTok Shop, first 1,000, makakuha ka ng free stylus pen, which is you can use it for this Honor Pad X8B. So, check natin yung brightness niya, no? Maganda yung ano niya, maganda yung screen niya. This is 11 inches, Very fast, very smooth. Maganda. Ito yung kanyang mga menu. Ayan. Screen record, wireless projection, dark mode, ultra power, do not disturb, ebook, quick share, ayan, eye comfort, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, hotspot, meron din. Bilang side, yung mga notifications mo, ayan. And then let's check out the camera. So this is the rear camera. Okay yung rear camera niya. Ayan, nasa Honor event tayo. Picturean natin yan. Medyo mabilis yung camera niya. Ito siya. Okay siya. Mabilis So that's the rear camera. And let's try the front camera. Uy, naka-portrait mode pa tayo. Kitang-kita nyo na I'm using the Honor 400 Pro in video vlogging this tech content. So meron siyang, check natin yung camera. No? Kasi usually we do the camera testing So meron siyang video mode. Meron siyang 2x, 1x, 720, 1080p, 30 fps yung kanyang rear camera. For the front camera naman ay it's also 1080p, 30 fps yung pinakang highest niya. Okay na to for Zoom calls and video messages. Portrait mode, may scan document, which is very, very important. Ayan. At for the more operations, HDR photo, tsaka time-lapse, available din siya. Ganda. So, itong tablet ito, hindi ito sa akin. This is galing kay Aaron. Pinaram ko lang for this hands-on test. At napansin ko, nag-install siya ng games ng Honor of Kings, which is, yun na nilalaro niyang games, do. Instagram, meron din siya. Hindi pa siya nakapag-install sa Instagram. Sample photos, parang wala pa siya sample photos. This is my photos, ayan. At gumawa na siya ng video testing. So, feeling ko walang stabilization to, no? Check natin. Record tayo ng video, front camera muna. Okay, wait lang. Okay, let's just do a playback. So, malakas to, no? Up to, medyo mahina, hindi ko marinig yung audio ko. Pero kitang-kita ko, wala siyang stabilization from the front camera. Pero feeling ko rear camera, test natin. Alright, nakapag-record na tayo. Hindi ko marinig yung audio kasi medyo malakas yung audio niya. Malakas yung speaker niya. Malinaw yung video niya but medyo maingay. So, yun. Wala siyang stabilization but okay siya. Parang feeling ko kakagamit ako ng X8B na smartphone. Pero mas better siya. So, eto na siya. Gusto kong testan ng durability test eh. Pero wala tayong tablet na may testing, no? Kasi ito kay Aero, ayaw niya paggamit. Pero binabalibag na lang natin. Binabalibag ko na lang tong tablet niya. So, okay na okay pa rin. So, pwede kayo mag-browse ng pag ganito. Pwede pa ganito. Pwede rin ding pag ganito. Ayan. Check natin about the tablet. 4GB of RAM plus 4GB RAM Turbo. 128GB of storage. Yung kanyang storage niya, no? Pero sabi nila, pwede ka maglagay ng microSD up to 1TB kayang-kaya ni Honor Pad X8B. Salurin mo ha! Salurin mo ha! 1, 2, 3! Wow! Alright, so that's it for our hands-on test and feature about the Honor Pad X8B. Thank you guys for watching. At don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I'll see you guys at the next video vlog adventure. Alright.